Today I will make the cavity for this water tap. Yesterday I created this inside core. Okay, let's start. At first I will click this combine and click height. Now see. Now I click this front plane and go to curve and select straight line. And just select this space and this space, and click this space click this space, and select this space and select this space again. Select this space. Yeah, now see, select this space. Now now select this space and again select this space. Now see, select this space and now select this space and this space. Now see, all faces are selected properly. Yeah, now check it. Yes, now all faces are selected for a straight line. Just select this natural and just it will be intersection and just click OK. Okay. Yes. Now see, it is separated by a straight line. Okay. Now I'll now go to this surface and click offset surface and make sure this distance will be 0 0 and just select this space and select at first select the critical face. Just see, this is the critical face. Just click this face and see there is any gap or not. Yeah, no gap. Just click this space and select this space and select this space. Select this space and select this space. Now see, any faces are missing or not. Just select this. There are a little face in this gap, so you have to select this gap. Sorry, not this. Yeah, this is the gap. Just select this gap. Yes. Okay, and just select this space and this space and just go to this and just select this space and see, just select this space and this space and be careful about this point. Just select this space and this space and this space, this and this and this this. Yes. Now see, all face are selected. Yes, missing this space. Now check all face are selected or not properly. Just see. Yes, all face are selected properly. So, and just select this space. Yes. Yeah, now click OK. Now go to this split line and just click height. Now see. Now click this right plane and click sketch and go to this center rectangle, sketch a center rectangle and just click OK and go to a smart dimension, make it 450, click enter and just make it 450, 450, click enter. Yes, select OK. Now just go to surface and click extrude surface. Just make it 120, click enter. Yes, now click OK. Yeah, now now go to this extrude surface and make it up to 150 and click distance S and just click this edge and again click this edge and click this edge. Sorry, just delete it and delete this and click OK. Again click extrude surface and click this and click OK. Again click extrude surface and click this edge. Sorry, just be carefully. Click this edge, click this edge and select OK. Yes, now see. OK, now go to plane surface and click this edge and click this edge, and click OK. Now yeah, now go to trim surface and click mutual, choose mutual trim, just click this and this and this. Yeah, now choose this remove selection, choose their natural and just click this trim, this and just click this and click this and click this. Sorry, just click this. Now see. Now just click OK. Yes, our core is almost ready. So now I have to just go to this field surface and just choose this, click this edge and click this edge and select OK. Yeah, now click planar surface, click this edge and click this edge and click OK. Yes, now go to neat surface, click this face and click this face and just see and click this face. Now see all face are selected. Yeah, now just click this create solid and click OK. Now see it is created as a solid or not, just check. Click this section view. Now see it is created as a solid. Okay, just click cancel it. Now go to our main body, just click this and click show and click this, click show. Yes, now go to this feature and click this mirror and choose face, choose this right plane and choose body to mirror. This is our body to mirror. Now see, just click OK. Yes, our mold is completely ready. Okay, just I will see. Just if you want to save this, just go to this main solid body, just right click and click this save bodies. Now see, you can select this auto selection title. If you click this auto selection title, just select this all bodies. Now it will save this all body. Okay, just click this save, click OK. Yes, now click, do you want to change the unit of measures of this body device part? Just click no and again click no, again click no. Yes, all body are saving. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, okay, all body are saved. Okay, if you want to explode, just you can explode, just click this insert and click explode view. Just click this face and just drag it here and just again click this face and drag it here. Now see, again click this face and drag it there, just click. Yes, okay, again click this, you can drag it there. Yes, now click OK. Just click and just click OK. Now see, it is our mold cavity, two side mold cavity. Yeah, this is our cavity, this is our main bulb body, this is our core. Okay, thank you for watching for this lecture. Okay.